Hello everyone, great to see you again at the Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. Today I have created 5 easy, delicious ways to enjoy stuffed medjool dates for you. Medjool dates offer a significant amount of natural sugar, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals. Do you know, medjool and other varieties of dates are heavily consumed, especially during Ramadan month, as an extra source of energy. Medjool stuffed dates make a great appetizer or dessert for any occasion. Let's get started now. Before you start making these 5 delicious stuffed dates, prepare all the medjool dates first. With a small knife, slice open down the center of a date. Extract the seed, then keep them aside while you prepare other ingredients. To make recipe number 1, peanut butter walnut dates. Gather all needed ingredients together. Use a spoon and other tools available to help fill each date with peanut butter. Then top each date with a toasted walnut. Peanuts and walnuts are rich in protein, fat, and fiber. The fat in peanuts are unsaturated. Good fats lower your cholesterol levels and prevent heart disease. Foods with a lot of protein can help you feel full with fewer calories. Studies have shown people who eat a moderate amount of peanuts will not gain weight from peanuts. Hence, enjoy this snack. Recipe number 2, vegan cream cheese and almond dates. To start, measure out the vegan cream cheese. Add black sesame seeds, brown sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Then mix to combine everything completely. Next, use an ice cream stick or a spoon, whichever is easier for you. Fill each date with the vegan cream cheese mixture. After that, garnish the stuffed dates with toasted almonds and mint leaves. To make recipe number 3, pistachios tahini stuffed dates. Mix finely chopped pistachio into tahini paste and combine. Note, I'm using homemade tahini. To learn how to make tahini, please watch the easy homemade tahini paste video. The link is attached in the description below this video. Next, fill each pitted date with pistachios and tahini mixture. Then top each date with pistachio. Finally, sprinkle all dates with some toasted sesame seeds. Pistachio tahini stuffed dates are bursting with fiber, minerals, and unsaturated fat that can help keep your blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol in check. Enjoy this dessert. To make recipe number 4, cranberry almond butter dates. To start, add finely chopped cranberry into almond butter and stir to mix until they combined evenly. Next, fill each pitted date with cranberry and almond butter mixture. Then, top each date with a paddle of nasturtium flour or any other edible flour you prefer. Note, instead of flour, you could decorate and sprinkle this stuffed date with chopped nuts such as pecan, walnut, or macadamia. Here you have it. Not only they are pretty to look at, but amazingly delicious too. Enjoy. Recipe number 5, secret rum and raisins stuffed dates. This is a must-try recipe. Why? Because when you bite into the date filling, you will taste the rum's distinctive nectarous flavor. These stuffed dates take you to the next level of enjoyment when you bite into the combinations of sweetness from the dates almond paste and rum marinated raisins that were secretly hidden inside the dates. To make this stuffed dates, start with marinating a handful of raisins in a mason or glass jar with a tight-fitting lid in advance. Pour the rum over the raisins enough to cover them. Note, To boost the taste of raisins flavor with rum, marinate the raisins for at least 24 hours before making the stuffed dates. The taste of raisins will become much stronger and better when marinated for a few days or weeks in advance. For the filling, add rum, maple syrup, and a pinch of salt into the almond butter and stir to mix everything until they combined evenly. Next, fill each pitted date with 3 marinated raisins, followed by rum, maple syrup, and almond butter mixture. Finally, decorate your dates with melted dark chocolate. Here you go. Serve this satisfying and remarkably delicious stuffed dates to family, friends, and parties, or during a festive season as a showstopper dessert. Well, I hope you enjoy watching and making this 5 satisfying and delicious stuffed dates recipe. Please share this video, comment, like, and subscribe to Healthy Asian Cuisine channel so you get to watch much more tasty recipes coming your way. Take care and see you soon.